All right, sometimes we have a leaky gasket. This right here is your main water system. This part is the pressure regulator. There's a gasket in the end of the pressure regulator, which has a strainer. That's not necessarily required. That's just helpful if you have sediment in your water. But that can be replaced if it does wear out. And that's just a standard water hose connection, as is the actual connection going straight into the bagger. So if you have your gasket worn out, it's just a matter of pulling that gasket out of here. It can be helpful to get a screwdriver and just pry up one side. And you can see they normally have those little tabs. You can get replacements at Lowe's, Home Depot, any hardware store. They're like 50 cents a piece. Sometimes you have to get them in packs of 3 or 5. It's whatever. But that's just a water hose fitting. The regular green, white, black packs, they'll work fine. Just put your new one with the tabs down, right back in, thread it back together. If you can get it started. There you go. And then you're back in business.